Welcome, aspiring affiliate marketers, to an exhilarating journey that promises to unlock the secrets of affiliate marketing success. By the end of this 12-episode course, you'll have the potential to earn a whopping $1,000 per week. Yes, you heard that right. I'm your host, Lukman, and I'm thrilled to guide you through this adventure. First things first. Let's dive into the heart of affiliate marketing. Imagine making money while sharing your passion with the world. That's the magic of affiliate marketing. You'll promote products or services you genuinely believe in and earn a generous commission for every successful referral. But wait, it gets even better. The freedom to choose your niche. The flexibility to work on your terms and the potential to earn limitless income, that's what sets affiliate marketing apart. Say goodbye to the 9-to-5 grind and hello to a life where your earning potential knows no bounds. Alright, fasten your seatbelts. Here's the roadmap to your affiliate marketing success and that jaw-dropping $1,000 per week. You've got this. Episode 1, Introduction to Affiliate Marketing. Understand the fundamentals of affiliate marketing and its potential. Choose a niche that ignites your passion. Get familiar with the tools we'll use, including the incredible Chatgpt. Episode 2, Selecting Your Niche. Dive deep into niche research and identify a profitable domain. Discover products and services with irresistible affiliate programs. Episode 3, Building Your Online Platform. Get your website or blog up and running like a pro. Lay the foundation for a captivating user experience. Episode 4, Supercharging with Chatgpt. Unleash the power of Chatgpt to engage and captivate your audience. Create interactive elements and dynamic content that keeps visitors hooked. Exciting, right? But hold on tight because we're just getting started. Here's a sneak peek into what awaits you in our upcoming episodes. Episode 5, Crafting Killer Content. Master the art of creating content that converts. Use Chatgpt to draft compelling articles and reviews. Episode 6, Strategic Affiliate Linking. Learn the best practices for inserting affiliate links seamlessly. Enhance your CTAs using Chatgpt's magic touch. So, are you ready to embark on this life-changing journey? Imagine yourself earning that dreamy $1,000 per week. Don't just imagine it, let's make it happen. Hit that subscribe button now and join me for the ride of a lifetime. Remember, success is within your reach. Together, we'll conquer the affiliate marketing world, one episode at a time. Thanks for watching.